So in my search to basically improve the stability of this swing here on this deck, and then also make it a clean look, I was able to buy some stuff from Amazon. I'll include the links in the bottom of the video. Basically, it's a really clean way to install and also improve the stability of it when you have a swing like this on a deck. Obviously, I usually take the swing out into the grass area as well, but this actually kind of lets me have it like all year long, like here on the deck. So basically, I will show you guys exactly how I did it, in case you guys are looking to do something similar to this. I just like the way it looks. It's very clean. So these are the two products that I was able to buy to make this a clean look, and also install that on his deck without having to drill or basically start trying to add any kind of brackets or extra hardware. I was able to find these all these items were actually found in like the camping section. There was like a kit of anchors that came with also the cord and also the cord adjuster as well. And then separately, I was able to get these anchors that are meant to kind of go in between the planks of the deck itself. The way they get installed is you just kind of slide into like a groove. Once they twist on there, they're now basically anchored in place. I've already pre-installed these two here on the other legs right here. So I'll go ahead and show you what I did to kind of keep them all uniform and basically clean, give it a clean look. The idea is to have this this cord adjuster, basically the concave area kind of facing outside. I went ahead and threaded it to this top mount here that kind of, it serves to kind of hold it uniformly all the way across each leg. Once you run the cord on the above section there, you then just thread it right in here to this cord adjuster. The idea is, if you have it facing you, once you put tension on this and you're now adjusting it, it'll always basically hold it in place. So then once you do that, you then run it through this anchor here. It's got a loop right there where you can kind of thread it through. I'd probably just keep it right there in the middle. And you can do this many different ways. I didn't want to cut the cord or anything like that, so I went ahead and just kind of did a couple wraps in the chance that I would actually use this cord for something else later on down the line. So then this anchor also has a little feature down here where you can run the cord through. Run it one more time through this upper section here, and I just kind of started to reduce the amount of cord left on here. Made like a quick simple knot. Whatever knot you decide to do up here is really not important because the tension will be performed by the tensioner that you have here. So once you have it kind of decent, it's a little loose now, you can then tighten it up. It's pretty much good to go. That's what I really like about the cord feature on here, because I know over time it's going to start loosening up here and there. But like I said, I'm going to have the links in the bottom of this video. Everything was super cheap. I think I probably spent less than 20 bucks for this entire setup. And it's clean. I didn't have to drill or do anything kind of fancy here on the deck. If I want to move it or remove it, it's really easy to do. and now I have a little peace of mind when I have the kiddos on the swing. It doesn't get all wonky or anything like that. Thank you guys for watching.